Welcome to Auto. In this video, I will show you how to fix ARC Raiders Playtest if it's crashing, not launching, freezing, or showing up black screen on PC.
Fix 1. Update graphics drivers. Step 1. Open your graphics card software, NVIDIA GeForce Experience, or AMD Radeon software. Step 2. Check for the latest driver updates. Step 3. Download and install the latest driver. Step 4. Restart your PC and launch the game. Fix 2. Verify game files. Step 1. Open your game launcher, Steam or Epic Games. Step 2. Go to your game library and find ARC Raiders Playtest. Step 3. Right-click the game, select Properties, go to Local Files. Step 4. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files, Steam or Verify, Epic Games. Step 5. Wait for the process to finish, then try launching the game. Fix 3. Run as administrator. Step 1. Navigate to the game installation folder. Step 2. Right-click ARC Raiders Playtest. Exe select Properties, go to Compatibility tab. Step 3. Check Run this program as administrator. Step 4. Click Apply and OK, then launch the game. Fix 4. Disable overlays. Step 1. Open Steam, Discord, or any software with overlay features. Step 2. Go to Settings and Game Overlay. Turn off the overlay. Step 3. Restart your PC and launch the game. Fix 5. Adjust graphics settings. Step 1. Open ARC Raiders Playtest settings if it launches, or edit settings, any in the game folder. Step 2. Lower graphics settings, resolution. Step 3. Disable full screen or switch between full screen and windowed mode. Step 4. Save changes and relaunch the game.